Best entertainment. Hello, bye. So welcome to everyone those who came here on the live stream. अगर तुम्हें आवाज़ साफ आ रही है तो बता सकते हो. वॉल्यूम की आवाज़ को थोड़ा डिक्रीज कर दिया जाएगा ताकि आवाज़ क्लियर आए. क्या सही है? So I hope everyone listening me carefully and the voice is coming completely clearly, clear and decent. So guys, I am using the Asia Composite Index because it's giving the 91 percentage, or we can wait for like 2-3 minutes because the newcomers are also waiting for the joining, and I hope they are joined very well. Yes. Well guys, here if we look the chart, it is moving like completely in the upward. So we have to like analyze where it will move after a movement. This is not necessary like to make continuous trades. We can also wait. You can also wait. It is not compulsory to make the trades like each and every second because it can be risky. If we are getting like too much profits and after like continuous making the trades, then it can gives the loss also. So we have to avoid the losses and we have to follow the risk management strategy if we got loss. But we didn't make any Vivo Y12 stream start कर दो. Vivo Y12 stream already started है bro. किस बात का वेट कर रहे हो? Guys, are you listening my voice or not? Write in the chat that you are hearing my voice. I think I have to make a trade. Sunil, yes bro. Okay bro. Sunil, thanks for compliment here. Like so we can wait for the 14 seconds because it was like reaches till the upward. You can see here. It moved till here in the upward direction, but after in the end of the 10 seconds, it come back to the downward. So here the down formation is still going on, and now it looks like that completely moved to the downward. Well, here it's moved completely to the downward, so we can make a trade with the 3-minute duration or 2-minute duration. Let's make it. After that we will know about this, that we are correct or not. Well, this is the biggest Japanese candlestick here. Thirty seconds. So guys, one trade I make it and wait a second. Well, there is a mistake. Like I have to make the downward, but it's okay. We have like 3 minutes, so it can move also to the upward side because here the blue line is moving upward completely, and it reaches like as if we look here, this formation. Well, this is the morning star Japanese candlestick, and it form in the upward, so it will also goes to the upward. Let's see. Hopefully, it can goes upward, or it can also come back to the downward, as it is now moving to the downside as move. You can check our active trade. Well, here now 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining, and this Japanese candlestick is moving to the downside. Neha Sana, welcome to the live stream. Finally, you came here. That's really good. So, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and this is well, this is going to be downside as according to the current day situation, it is moving to the downside. But we have like 50 seconds still now. If it turn back to the upside, then we will get the profit, otherwise loss. So let's see what will happen in the 45 seconds now. Only 20 seconds and it is trying to move, but I don't think that it will move so much like in the upward direction. Finally, it came back to the downside, and our time remaining is just only 12 seconds, guys. So first is loss. Now we have to look on the further second trade. Let's check the another composite indexes. Maybe someone is going properly in the upward or downward. Wow, gold one is moving to the upside. See, this one was turned to the upside for a long moment, but after that, in the end of the 10 seconds, again came back to the downside. These are the chances in which like we got the losses. Like right now, I will make a up trade for the 2 minute duration, and in this 1 minute is completely moving to the downside. But maybe further the second trade, like second here, it's moving to the upside. It can come back to the upside, but it doesn't look like that. It will move to the upward. It can again come back to the downside. Okay, let's take a risk, another risk, and wait a second, guys. This is also irregular. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now here it's again forming a direction in the upward direction. Hopefully turn back to go back again to the downside. See guys, in the Asia Composite Index, it came back and turned back to the upside. But for how much time? It will go back to the upward. We have to look on this, and after that we will make a trade here also. Because I already make a second trade on the gold composite index, which is giving like a neutral loss and neutral and profit. Like three things are going to be happen on the gold one. But we have like time period is still 1 minute and 22 seconds. So we can wait for the last of the 1 minute 20 seconds, and after that we will get the result. Here this is the like big Japanese candlestick form here, and this engulf the previous one. It is turning back again to the downside, right? And here if we look, well, it's a little bit upside and continues moving there. Wait for the like 10 seconds and two trades form, one is loss and the second one in the end movement like it came the loss. Guys, did you notice one interesting thing? Very interesting, like here I will show you on the chart. See, I make this trade here, okay, and it was completely like profitable trade, but in the end of the just 2 seconds, it came in the downward movement, like we got the loss just because of the 2 seconds. And I know that mostly times this situation also happen with you guys, just because of the 2-3 seconds they completely change. And here you can see It came downward, then again it's moving to the upward side. It came till here, and in the end moment it turned back to the upside. But we have like less time there, so we got the loss there, but it's okay, we will recover it. Well, I make the 300, so I have to make the martingale strategy of the 800 dirham, so it will recover the previous two losses in just one single trade. Well, guys. 28 seconds remaining. Here is a composite index. Well, it's completely moving. So look here guys, I make like two trades, one on the Asia Composite Index and another one on the gold one. So both are giving the profit now, but before this I got one loss, so here it was the loss, but it recovered here and got a profit. See, now this is also completely moving in the profit, so two profits coming. So guys, the interesting thing is that the two losses which I lost there, I got two profitable trades here in front of all of you. And now like we are neutral condition just of the 30 like 60 dirham in the loss, but it will be like recover in just one single trade. So let's now assume where we have to make two assessed. I open here. So another third trade I make on the Asia Composite Index in the upward movement, but like it can turn back to the downside, but it's okay normal because already there is no loss. The trades are neutral to loss to profit. This one can be like profit or loss because the previous two trades are moving to the downside, but it can turn back to the upside because already it came back in the upward direction a lot of time. See, it was now here, but it reaches till there, so it will just following the previous gaps. And here if we got the like profit in this, then this will engulf the previous and it will move further again in the upward direction. Only 38 seconds remaining, guys. So guys, the third profit is coming now, and I told you this one also moved the profits. So guys, like three profitable trades now. I told you the second one, but after that I make the third trade, and three are in the profitable now. Niyasana sir, Asia Composite Index. Yes, Niyasana, right now at this moment I'm making the Asia Composite Index. You can also look on the history and on the upper corner side. But now it's trying to go back to the downside. But after further this movement it will turn back again to the upside. So let's make a 3 minute duration with the upward direction. So we make like three profits in our good time, and now we can take like a break. Like we can just watch the graphs where it is moving. There is no compulsory like we have to make continuous trade each and every second. Now we can just relax and further checking the graphs where they are moving exactly. So this Japanese candlestick was came till here, but after that it came back to the upside. So I will just make a upside trade, and let's see if it will move to the downside or again to the upside. But the duration I take here like 3 minutes, guys. So I have to take here like for the 1 minute. Let's take 1 minute, or just let's wait. So guys, now 2 minutes remaining. Well, if I make like it with this 1 minute duration, then it will completely was moving to the profitable. You can also know very well like when I make this trade, after that it reaches a till upward movement and cover the same distance of the previous this bearish Japanese candlestick which is forming to the downside. So here now it's moving upside and it covered this distance like neutralize both Japanese candlestick, and further it's moving to the upside now. So let's wait what will happen. 52 seconds remaining. If like it will show a rapidly increment in the downward direction, then we can get only loss. But if it just move like a little here, like slowly in the downward movement, and just don't cross this our trade line, then we will get this profit in the 30 seconds. As I told you, like if it's move quickly, then it can be loss. See, it turn back quickly, so we am getting the loss here. But if it will like remain stay a very little duration, then it will gives the profit. So here now the profit becomes loss in the end moment of just 20 seconds. Well, I have to make this like for the 2 minutes, because in the third minute it is giving just only loss. So sometimes it happen. Well, it's okay, no problem. Now it turn back to the upside or downside, no problem about this. Now I am thinking I don't have to make like here 3 minute duration, but sometimes or mostly times 3 minute duration is perfect for making the trades. So we will follow our same guideline. So now the another Japanese candlestick is finished and it turned back to the downside. Well, let's wait, guys. We have to check also our gold composite index, because it's giving 93% profitable rate. Like it was moving upward, then downward, then a little bit upward, then downward. Wow. Well, guys, let's make a trade here with the 3 minute duration. Let's take a risk trade and let's see it will move to the upside or downside. Because here this is the morning star Japanese candlestick came here, and it was like after that 1 minute the next Japanese candlestick was moving in the upward direction. But if we look on the momentum lines, then both lines are moving to the downside. So that's why it can be risky trade. But let's check. We have like still 1 minute 30 seconds. And see it turn back to like very quickly turn back to the upside movement. We have just only 1 minute and 28 seconds. And we can check further another this. So this is completely forming a down trade here. Now it can turn back again to the upside movement. But after that it come back again to the downward. "40 seconds remaining, guys, now." This Japanese candlestick was open here, but after that it was like reached there, and now we have to wait like where it will close in the end time. Oh, our HA composite index changed the direction. Well, guys, it was moving completely in the up trade, but after that it was come back again to the downside very rapidly. But it's okay. Now I will use the martingale strategy for recovering these two losses. Okay, so let's change the amount with the 800. Jay, hello. So we have to make a trade here because like it's completely moving very fantastic to the downside. So let's take a risk to the downside with the 2 minute duration, guys. After these 20 seconds. 15, 14, 13, 12, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Well, here it turned back to the upside movement, but it will also come back to the downside. It looks like that, but we have to wait here. 20 seconds left, guys. 15 seconds. This is the Asia Composite Index, and what about the gold? Well, gold after that turn back to continuous downward. If we check the like history here, move upward, then downward, then upward, then downward, and now it seems like that it will move again to the upward. See, wait a second, it was finished. So only 39 seconds remaining, right? And before this it was like came back, turned back in the upward direction, but in the end of the movement it turned back again to the upside, oh sorry, downside. So this is also going to be lost, but it's okay, we will recover this with a new investment of the 1800. Like one trade can recover all money within the single trade. Well guys, the gold one is like everything is moving to the downside, like market is now just traveling to the downside. I turn back a little bit to the upside, but it will also come back again to the downside. Six, five, four, three, two, one. Let's make a down trade because everything is now moving to the just downward, downward, downward. See guys, it was moving completely to the downside. After that it turned back again to the upside. We can check our active trade, which is going to be lost right now at this moment because it's still moving to the downside. Well, today I think we have to just make only down trades because continuously from the like 20 minutes they just forming the down, 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 down. But I have like always to make in the like a habitual habit just to make in the upward direction. Well, here it's trying, and 1 minute and 40 seconds remaining here still. It has to be moved, turn back again to the upward, but I think it will turn back again to the downside. But here the Japanese candlestick, following as always I told you with the momentum lines, and momentum line is still moving in the upside direction. See here, the blue one is in the upside, the Japanese candlestick also in the upside. So now everything is workable. Now we have to just wait for the 1 minute and 13 seconds guys. And if I got this profit of the 1638, it will like you can understand like it will recover the previous two losses within the single trade. But here it looks like that it is trying to go back again to the downside. See, it turned back again to the downside. Well, in the end of the movement. 30 seconds here and 30 seconds, 35 seconds, 30 only seconds. Here only 20 seconds and it decreased to the downward again. So guys, our loss was not recoverable in the previous trade, but it's okay. We have to make the same amount with the gain, so we will recover the previous amount in this. Here like three profitable trades in the continuous in the starting time, but after that like four trades in the loss, and one is also biggest. So now our uh, mission is that we have to recover the previous losses in just in the single and previous some trade. So let's wait here. I think that 3 minute duration is not perfect for me. I have to make here for the 2 minute duration, like a quick trade. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I think today is a bad day, but it's okay. Market is not like on the Monday, it happens sometime, but it's okay. We will recover our lost money. We have to just wait for some time. Guys, here like continuous, they're just moving in the downside, downside, downside. Let's make a 3 minute duration with the up trade here now. It will turn back to the upside and it is also giving the 93 percentage. So let's try. But here it looks like that it will again will come back and again it will move to the downside, right? 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now it's turning back again to the upside. Again now downside. Well, it's okay. So guys, let's see this will gives the profit or not. I make the again trade with the 1800 drum in the upward movement, because here like um, how we can say like a dome shape is forming from the downside, but we make like 3 minute duration, so it's okay. Let's see what will happen in the after the 2 minutes. 1 minute is going to be finished now. 1 minute 42 seconds remaining now. One minute 15 seconds left. Here it looks like that it is moving again to the upside, but I think it will come back again, turn back to the downside, because there the gap is like a little bit. It's not normal gap, not normal distance, so like it can recover just within the 2 seconds. It will take time. Like if this 20 seconds will close in the upside, then in the next 30 seconds it can form in the uptrend. But here now just only like 13 seconds remaining and it's trying to go back in the upward. Mhm. But in the final it came back again to the downside. See. I think I have to now I have to now make a down trade. Why it's just moving today like just only in the down, 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 down. If I make just one time to the downside, then it will gives like 5 times like profitable, profitable, profitable. Only like just profitable. Well, market is now just moving to the downside. Let's take a risk here. Guys, the thing is that if you are getting like losses, then it's not necessary like you also have to invest like me as I got the loss. So according to the martingale study, I just increase the amount like in the big amount. As you can see, like two losses with the 1800 dirham, and still I am making the 1800. So it's not necessary like you also have to make with 1800. You can make according to your budget. If you have like low budget, then just make with the low budget. If you have high budget, then you can make with the high budget. So it's not necessary and not compulsory that you got loss and you want to like huge profit in just one single trade. You can invest your all capital. It is not compulsory, guys. So just keep this thing in your mind, so it will be like gives you benefit, because it can also avoid your risk free trades. I remember according to the risk free trades, I have like 45 risk free trades. So today I will use like from them 2-3 risk free trades I will use here. Okay, guys. So let's wait. See, guys, why it's happening today? Continuous it was moving to the downside, right? I make up trade again here. Well, that's not it. Turn back again upward. So I have to keep my words and remain. Oh, now I have to speak again. It come back. What is going on here? Well, that's fine. Just don't come in the downward direction, because we have like only 35 seconds, guys. Only 35 seconds remaining now, and how many seconds remaining now? Nine, eight, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Profit. Well, the four profitable trades. Now we have to again make in the upward direction. Well, it's increasing continuously here, so we can make a up trade again here with the same amount but with the minimum duration, not more than like 3 minutes here. See guys, now I will tell you one thing here. If we check on the HA composite index, now it also trying to go back in the upward direction. See, it was completely moving just only downside. Wow. Well guys, that's why I got the losses, because if we check the graph, it was just moving downside, just downside, and still it's just moving in the downside. But is a composite, oh, gold one is great, because now gold one is turned back again to the upside. Okay guys, so I'm going to make the another one trade. uh, yes, with the 2 minute duration. 12. Let's do one thing here with the 2 minute duration is okay, right? Thirty-five seconds. Okay guys, let's take a risk-free trade again in the upward direction. Let's see what will happen in the 2 minute duration. Guys, once again if we focus here, like if I make the trades with the biggest amount, so it will be like a double and triple with recover just within the single trade. So the biggest second Japanese guys, the second biggest profitable is coming now and profit. So here like now 5 profitable trades. Let's do one thing. Now let's check our trades. Well, the gold one is pretty cool, also giving the 93 percentage here, like just approx like double amount. So first it was like move continuously downward. After that it just increase continuous. See guys, here it was upward, then come back downward, then upward, then it can come back again to the downward. But it's still trying to move in the upside. Let's check what is the Asia Composite Index is going on. What the fuck, guys? It is still moving to the downside. Okay, let's make one trade in the downside here. 2-minute duration. Let's see what will happen now. I am making on the Asia Composite Index first time on this trade, down trade, and now let's say it will turn back to the down because from the last 1 hour it's just moving downside. So now I have to see it will move in the upward or it will still remain to the down. so, so guys, what I told you, it was moving continuously to the downside, but when I make the trade, it turned back a little bit to the upside. Well, I have to zoom it because I think it's not clearly visible for everyone. And now the time is like 50 seconds remaining. Guys, look here, I will show you one thing. Like 1800, 2 times I lost and 2 times I recover with the 1800, this here. 800 I lost and 800 now if it gives the like profit then it will recover this 800. After that these 300, 2 times with these 300 profitable here. Then this 273 will this 300. So after overall like everything will be fine and we just win the loss of the 300 drum. After a big loss, I recover a big amount in the profitable and come back again on the same amount which I have in the starting beginning. Well, that's great. And a profitable came again. So let's make a again down trade. And guys, after this trade I will take a break. Okay, so just for we have to wait for the 2 minutes. Well, this is going to be lost because now I make in the downside. That's why, guys, it is now moving to the upside. See. Well, I losses these only in the upward direction. If I like just make continuously like down, 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 then one, two, three, four, five. Five biggest amount and small amount, medium amount, everything will be like in the profitable if I just make continuous downside instead of the upward. Now your time is like only 53 seconds and it is also in the downside. So let's see what will happen in the 50 seconds now. I think this is playing with us. Continuously it was moving to the um, downside. But after that, like in the end of the second, when the trade is going to be finished, it turned back to the upside. And the interesting thing is that, guys, after like ending of the 10 seconds, it will turn back to the downside. Very bad, very bad. See, as I told you, now it turned back again to the downside. So guys, almost we recover our all losses. Just this 800, I will say yes, this is in the loss, but it's okay. I will also recover this. So I think let's take a break for the 5-10 minutes, guys. Okay. So let's come back after the 5-10 minutes. So guys, the wait is over. Now come back and let's see for the 20 minutes, right? And after 20 minutes we will finish this live stream. Like we can also skip today for the no trades because everything is like irregular. First completely it was moving to the down like 1 hour it's just moving down and down and down. After that like for just 5 or 10 minutes we can say it was move only 5 minutes I will say it went in the upward direction. When I make a downtrend it was trend to the upside. After that I make upside, then it will turn back again to the downside. So like what I can say, both things are happening here, guys. Let's make a long. Okay, I will make a next trade after the 12 seconds finish because we will get an idea like on which direction the new Japanese candlestick will move further. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And they are moving. Four, three, two, one. Well guys, now it looks like that it is just continuous moving in the upside, but when I will make a upside, it will go back to the downside. If I make it downside, then it will turn back to the upside. Very interesting charts are moving now. So I think like at this moment you don't need to make any trades here. You can just look here because after recover the losses, it also turned back to the downside. Well, I think, or we can check the another composite index. Wait, guys. Well, Europe is not interesting here. It looks like that it is now moving to the upside according to the Japanese candlestick, but here it like turned back a little bit to the downside. And Asia, well, now Asia is completely moving to the upside, right? Well, again, a last trade I will make in the upside, but after it will come back a little downward. Because if I make the trade here at this moment in the upside, then what will happen? It can go again to the downside, and it is like not possible to recover that distance which we created here in the trade line and the Japanese candlestick. अगर हम ट्रेड कर देते हैं यहाँ पर इस मोमेंट पर और ये जो जैपनीज कैंडलस्टिक है ये चली जाए नीचे यहाँ तक इस वाली वन टाइम फ्रेम की मिनट के अंदर, तो और वापस फिर से ऊपर आना चाहे तो वो थोड़ा डिफिकल्ट होगा कि 1 मिनट के अंदर उस डिस्टेंस को फुलफिल करना, रिकवर करना। तो इसलिए थोड़ा सा वेट करते हैं और देखते हैं एग्जैक्टली कहाँ मूव करती है, कहाँ जाती है। Now I think that time is came that it will move to the further upward. So we make like continuous down trades, but now I think it turned back again to the downside. Euro composite index is well, we can make a trade on the Euro composite index. Okay, let's see. 2 minutes, and I think this is going to be like last trade. Why it's turning back again to the upward when I created a down trade now here. 1 minute 16 seconds remaining now. See guys, it tried to go back in the upward, and we have just only time is remaining just only 30 seconds. इससे एक काफ़ी इंटरेस्टिंग एक रील याद आती है इंस्टाग्राम की, कि जब मैं ऊपर लगाता हूँ ये नीचे चला जाता है, जब मैं नीचे लगाता हूँ वो ऊपर चला जाता है, जब ऊपर और लगाता हूँ वो नीचे चला जाता है, जब नीचे चला। अब देखो, जैसे ये लॉस हो उसके 1 सेकंड बाद ये नीचे आया, क्या मतलब था उसका? थोड़ी देर पहले आ जाता, वो रिकवर हो जाता, प्रॉफिट हो जाता, पर नहीं। Gold one is still moving again to the downside. Let's do one thing instead of the Asia Composite Index. देखो तीन एसेट्स को, जो तीन कंपोजिट इंडेक्स है उनको ऊपर ही ओपन कर लिया है, एशिया कंपोजिट, यूरोप और गोल्ड। तीनों का क्या सीन है कि तीनों ऊपर की डायरेक्शन में फॉर्म हुए हुए, जब भी मन करेगा तीनों को हम इंस्टेंटली बिना वहाँ जाए अलग से चेक करने की जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि यहाँ किसी पे भी क्लिक कर दो डायरेक्टली ओपन हो जाएगा। तो अभी देखते हैं गोल्ड का, देखते हैं, ये गोल्ड ही चल रहा है, गोल्ड अभी इरेगुलर है। अब देखते हैं यूरोप का 93% है। यूरोप पहले नीचे आया है, उसके बाद हल्का सा ऊपर गया, लेकिन फिर भी ये नीचे ही आ रहा है, 3-2, और ये नीचे ही आया है और ये ऊपर फिर से ट्राई कर रहा है। तो एशिया कंपोजिट देखते हैं। एशिया कंपोजिट एक टाइम के लिए ऊपर गया था, फिर उसके बाद बस ये नीचे ही चला गया और कंटिन्यूस अब नीचे ही चलता जा रहा है। तो अभी बस चलो एक और ट्रेड लगाते हैं, अब या तो ऊपर या पार। वेट गाइस, देखो इसने यहाँ ऊपर ये गई अपवर्ड में, उसके बाद ये डाउनवर्ड आई, और इनकी दोनों को अगर बेस लाइन को देखेंगे, जो बेस लाइन है वो एग्जैक्ट अभी सेम बन रही है। तो ये ऊपर गई, ये नीचे गई, और उसके बाद ये कंटिन्यूस नीचे जा सकती है, फिर से ये ऊपर जा सकती है। तो थोड़ा सा वेट करते हैं, देखते हैं केयरफुली इसको। ये काफी बड़ी जैपनीज कैंडलस्टिक बनी है। तो दोस्तों मिलते हैं अगली लाइव स्ट्रीम पे। ये आज की आखिरी एक जैपनीज कैंडलस्टिक है, इसको देखते हैं, ये नीचे जाती है ऊपर जाती है, मतलब एक आखिरी ट्रेड लगाने जा रहे हैं, या आर या पार, दोनों चीजों में से एक ही चीज होगी। इसने हल्का सा ट्राई करा नीचे जाने के लिए और ऊपर जाने के लिए, पर उसके बाद ये वापस नीचे ही आया है, और कंटिन्यूस देखो इंक्रीज हो रहा है। वेल ये मार्केट तो काफी ऊपर गया था एक बार, उसके बाद बस नीचे ही नीचे 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 आता जा रहा है। यहाँ अगर देखेंगे तो काफी ऊपर जा चुका है अब। देखो हमारे पास दो ऑप्शन है, अगर हम इसको अभी क्लोज करते हैं तो ये अमाउंट हमें जो देगा वो देगा अभी चेंज हो रहा है, मतलब एक एक सेकंड में वो चेंज कर रहा है, वेरी कर रहा है। तो ये फिर से अगर नीचे आता है तो उसके बाद ये एक 1800 का मिल रहा है, हाफ अमाउंट अभी मिल रही है, और प्रॉफिट होने के बाद इसका डबल मिलेगा। तो देखते हैं क्या होता है। अब ये प्रॉफिट में फिर से आ चुका है, लेकिन ये अभी भी एग्जैक्ट लाइन पे ही है, और हमारे पास जो टाइम बचा है वो टाइम बचा है दोस्तों, कितना बचा है, 51 सेकेंड्स। तो ये फिर से नीचे आ चुका है, और ये अभी कम्प्लीटली प्रॉफिट में आ रही है। चलो देखते हैं क्या होता है। 30 सेकेंड्स का वेट करना है। ट्वेंटी 5 सेकेंड्स वहाँ बची है और 18 सेकेंड्स यहाँ बची है और इसने डायरेक्शन ऊपर चेंज कर लिया है। अभी भी ये क्लोज हो रहा है, हाफ अमाउंट में हो रहा है, बस इसको नीचे जाना है एंड मूवमेंट तक, बस ये ऊपर ना जाए, जैसा कि अब जा चुका है। तो चलिए 6 5 4 3 एंड 2 चल क्या रहा है आज, ये एशिया कंपोज इंडेक्स अपने हाथों में नहीं है। तो चलिए आज इसको स्किप करते हैं, फिर से मिलते हैं अगली लाइव स्ट्रीम पर। काफी टाइम हो चुका है। गाइस अगली लाइव स्ट्रीम पर मिलते हैं, देखते हैं क्या होता है। आज तो ये कहूँगा मैं भी, आज काफी बुरा दिन था। आपको ट्रेड करने की जरूरत है नहीं, क्योंकि जैसे इस पे ऊपर लगाते हैं नीचे जाता है, नीचे लगाते हैं ऊपर जाता है, तो दोनों चीज चलते हैं। कभी कभी लॉस भी चलता है। एक टाइम पे वो सारा रिकवर हो गया था, पर उसके चक्कर में फिर से दोबारा लॉस हो गया, बट इट्स ओके। ज्यादा लॉस हुआ नहीं है, छोटी अमाउंट हुई है, पर कुछ कुछ बड़ी है। जैसे ये लास्ट वाली जी तो 1800 की थी, कंटिन्यूस यहाँ देखा जाए तो 4-1000 द्रम का लॉस है, बट ये रिकवर कर लेंगे इसको आसानी से। इट्स ओके। सो बाय गाइस, सी यू अगेन इन द नेक्स्ट लाइव स्ट्रीम। or maybe I have to make a last trade I can make here. So 40 seconds now, right? ये अभी भी एशिया कंपोजिट इंडेक्स ही है ना? नहीं, ये है यूरोप कंपोजिट इंडेक्स और ये गोल्ड जा रहा है। देखो एशिया कंपोजिट इंडेक्स फिर से ये नीचे आ गया, हल्का सा वहां अपवर्ड मूवमेंट फॉर्म होने के बाद वापिस से डाउनवर्ड आ गया। देखो गोल्ड की हिस्ट्री चेक करी जाए, गोल्ड अभी भी कंटिन्यूअस ऊपर की डायरेक्शन में जा रहा है। So bye guys, see you soon again in the next live stream. For today it's enough. Already make a lot of trades in the continuous. In the starting we are getting the profits, but here like now again I make the 2-minute duration and return back to the downside. Okay guys, so after 2 minutes I will finish this live stream and we will enjoy. You can also enjoy and see you soon again in the next live stream. Well, it completely changed the direction and I don't think that it will turn back again to the upside, because already a down morning star, or we can say like a hammer, is formed here. Bearish Japanese candlestick which is not trying to move in the upward direction. Still it has remaining the gap. See guys, like it will take approx like 10-20 seconds to cross over this in the starting time, and the momentum lines are also now moving to the downside. As you can see, continuous just moving to the down instead of the upward, it's just moving to the downside. Only 39 seconds remaining now. So bye guys, see you again in the next live stream. Bye everyone.